In our last video, we uploaded a video from Screencastify that I had previously made into Edpuzzle. I received an email letting me know that my video is now ready. My next step is to go back into Edpuzzle and finding the video. So here is the video. So I'm going to click on this, and now you'll see that there are no questions at the bottom. I'm going to click on Edit, and here is where we can add voiceover, crop the video, audio notes, and quizzes. So first off, let's go to audio notes. So I'm going to add an audio note at the very beginning. In order to add an audio note, all I do is click on the record button. I want you to pay very close attention to this video as it introduces Flipgrid. I'm very excited to start using this in the classroom, and I really hope that you are as well. Now, you can either choose to remove the last note or remove all notes. So, in order to listen to it, so there's the voiceover at the very beginning. So now as we click play, there's my voiceover. And then it automatically starts the video. So we're going to stop right there, and let's add a question. So we would click on, like we clicked on the little voiceover thing to create the voiceover, we're going to click on this. And here's where you can choose what type of questions you want to add. You can add in an open-ended question. You can add in a multiple choice question, or you can just add in a comment. And then here are all your choices for adding things in. You can add an image into your question. You can add a link. You can send them somewhere else if they need to. So let's type an open-ended question. How can help you in the classroom? Okay, then click Save. So there's the open-ended question, and here's the box where students will answer. So let's click Continue. Click Save. Go back to Crop Video. Click Play and see what happens. Let's click Finish. So this is where it takes you to assign to a class or to add a public link. We're going to exit out of there because I really do not want to assign it to a class yet. Here we go. I'm going to move it on up so we can find another place to add a question. So Okay, we're going to add a question here. Apparently I cannot spell. Okay, so there's my next question. And as you can see, it's very easy to add questions. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to finish. And again, you see it takes you to assign to a class or to add a new class. Right here, you have the option to prevent skipping, which I always have turned on, and you can have the option to post it on the Google Classroom itself. You can do a start date and a due date. This automatically links to Google Classroom when you do post it in Google Classroom. So right now what we're going to do is we are going to go back into Edpuzzle. And I want to just show you some of the content area that you can look at. You can go to YouTube and find videos that you can use. Some of these might already have questions, some of these might not. If you look in Edpuzzle, all the Edpuzzle videos already have questions. The videos from YouTube, I suggest you get them and make your own questions to go with them. Khan Academy, you can have a Khan Academy video teaching any subject that you need and then search for it and then add your questions into it. You have National Geographic, TED Talks, Crash Course. All of these are options for you to find lesson resources and embed your questions in them to make sure that the students are understanding and comprehending the concepts. At this point, we're going to stop, and then we're going to move on to the next video, which would be integrating Edpuzzle within Canvas. I hope this has helped, and I'm excited to see everybody working with Edpuzzle.